this is a mobilization for the sacrum. So this is the sacroiliac joint. This is particularly for mobilizing the sacral base posteriorly. So the dysfunction that we're treating is an anterior torsion. So in this case, we're going to be mobilizing the left sacral base posteriorly by pushing on the right ILA. So to push on the right ILA, I am moving the left sacral base posteriorly on a right oblique axis. Okay? In order to be able to do this as efficiently as possible, I want to loose pack the SI joint by hip AB and AD ducting. And I want to internally rotate the hip so that the posterior portion of the SI joint is theoretically gapped enough to allow the sacrum to move posteriorly. So I'm going to move on to this side so that I can find the PSIS and kind of put my fingers along the SI joint. I'm going to ab and adduct the hip, really with the intention of putting the SI joint in a loose pack position. Once I'm in that loose pack position, I'm going to put the foot in an internally rotated position, so it's just kind of biased in that internal rotation. I'm then going to find the inferior lateral angle of the sacrum. So here's the PSISs. I can sink down until I find, if I sink down on the sacrum, I can find a part where I'm falling off the shelf of the sacrum. So this is the inferior lateral angles of the sacrum. I'm interested in the right side. So I'm going to get a good hand contact on the ILA. I'm not pushing on the coccyx. I'm going to monitor the left sacral base. I'm just going to push from a posterior to anterior direction with my knuckles in that right oblique axis to try and find the motion where I can find some sacral spring. And once I found that, I'm going to either just mobilize that left sacral base posteriorly, or I can use breath. So I'm going to have you take a deep breath in, and as she breathes in, you can see that sacrum rotate posteriorly, and then exhale. And once she reaches that point, I'm going to be firm on that ILA and not let it rotate anteriorly. Take a deep breath in again. Deep breath. Follow, follow. I can mobilize at the end a little bit. Good. Exhale. Hold that. Good. One more time. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. The entire time I'm encouraging the right sacral base to move posteriorly, the left sacral base to move posteriorly on the right oblique axis.